Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it's what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keepin' it street, we keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap, it never been cheap.
Hey guys, what is up? So in this video, I am basically going to go through the process of me withdrawing money for the week. As you guys should already know, I try my best. I absolutely try my best to make sure that I pay myself forward each and every week, just because this gives me the motivation and the extra boost to kind of get into the market and know that I am actually profiting, and just give me the motivation to keep on trading, because there's some moments where I don't want to trade. But just getting that withdrawal and just getting that within your bank account, it just kind of makes it feel better. Just like when you're at your job, you may not want to go into work, but that deposit just hit your account. So you're like, all right, let's get with it. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's something you should do when it comes to trading. However, let's get into the process. So as you guys already know, I'm on Duramarkets. So I do coincide using either Duramarkets or CoinEx. I prefer CoinEx most, but like I stated to you guys, it's very important to kind of have your funds in many different brokers. I would advise just two if you are a beginner, just to be on the safe side. You never want to have all of your funds in one broker, especially if it is not regulated. There are some risk factors that do coexist with that, right? So with Duramarkets, guys, I was trading on Duramarkets, so I'm gonna go ahead and withdraw 2,000 this week. I just feel like, this week I did a lot. And I just think it's very important for me to just treat myself, Bitcoin is shooting up, so that's another opportunity for me to kind of put my profits into that investment. If you guys do not have Bitcoin, I suggest, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would suggest trying to get some. You can get it on Coinbase. You can also get it on Cash App. There's so many different platforms that you can buy Bitcoin, and I think it's very important that you have a little bit of Bitcoin within your financial portfolio. So let's go into the withdrawal process. As you guys already know, I'm doing Bitcoin all of the time. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this account here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and max out my withdrawal. So I have 2,000 in my account right now. That was what I was able to make from just putting in $150 into my account. And so I was able to quadruple it, whatever the word it is, but I was able to basically bring my account up to 2,000. So this is the type of profits you are able to gain and earn if you are a part of the trading group. The trading group is only $50 monthly, guys. It's very, very, very cost efficient. You're definitely going to make $50 right back, as long as you make sure that you have a reasonable stop loss, as well as you're not over leveraging your account or just over trading in general. I do try my best to send you multiple different take profit opportunities, so that if you do miss one, you have another moment to kind of get back into the market. Another thing, guys, the reason why that I am doubling my withdrawal for this week is simply because I did have a loss on election day. Okay, that's another story for another time. And it's a loss that has happened in a very long time. In our trading group, we never really had big losses or just losses in general. I would say since we have started this trading group, it was from April of this year, on April 1st, we probably had maybe one day, and that was maybe around in June. So as you guys notice, it's November, and it's kind of hard to kind of digest and take this in. So that's another video that I will be sharing of how do I go about with, my losses and what do I do. So if you are interested in that video, just stay tuned for the video to come out pretty shortly. But anywho, let's get in the process of still withdrawing, because Either way, guys, even though we lost, it does not matter because we're going to get back into that market and gain all of our profits that we lost, okay? Because that is the joy of trading within the Forex market. Whatever you lose, you're able to get it back plus some. So we're going to think positive on that. I'm going to go ahead and put my Bitcoin address here. Alrighty, and then now we're going to go ahead and just press withdrawal. Alrighty, guys, so they do have the Authenticator app, so it's very important that you have that downloaded. As a trader in general, you should already have this Authenticator app already downloaded because it is a part of the process. I do think it's very important to go with, with having this because like I stated in the last video, guys, we do have hackers in this world, and you just want to make sure that your profits and just your money in general is protected, right, at all costs. Alrighty, guys, so we just withdrew. As you guys can see, last week it was $1,000, so we just kind of doubled that this week. So super exciting. Of course, guys, as I've mentioned before, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna actually go down in the comment section to let you guys know when I was able to receive the funds. But I just wanted to show you guys this video and kind of give you guys another motivation to kind of take some money out for yourself, pay yourself forward. It's just very important as a trader, as a beginner trader, is that because you can lose focus and you can lose motivation. And if you're not paying yourself, it just kind of ultimately loses its purpose of trading, because it's like, why are you trading Forex, right? Trading Forex is basically another source of income for you, your family, your friends, whichever the case may be, right? So it's just very important that you are making sure that you're paying yourself. But other than that, guys, I thank you so much for your continued support and love. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is free. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.